this day is so important? I mean, for the viewers, of course, I know it, but why this day being keeping such importance for you over the years? Today also you're launching 6 movies.
24th October is a D-Day for me. I got married on 24th October. I launched my first film, Curse, on 24th October 78. I launched Mukhtar's Private Limited with Hero on 24th. So all my films have been launched on 24th October. We always keep it as a deadline to announce and to know what we are going to do in the next year. And it is Mukhtar's 28th anniversary today. And after 28 years of journey, we are happy that we have opened this Whistling Woods Institute. So it is definitely a contribution of its own kind from Mukta Arts, because Mukta Arts, whatever success it had seen with the 11-12 hits in a row, so it was important for me to see to it that I share my money, experience, vision, knowledge with coming generation, and open a platform for those people who don't have anybody in Bombay film industry.
इस साल जो है 6 movies वो कौन सी? So this year.
This year we have announced 6-7 films because we have got 2 banners. One is called Mukta Searchlight, other is called Mukta Arts Entertainment. Entertainment means the all popular mainstream cinema. Searchlight, where we made Iqbal and encourage independent cinema, a different kind of films. So we have announced 3 films under Searchlight and 4 films under Mukta Arts Entertainment. 3 films under Searchlight is one directed by me, titled Black and White, and one is by Nagesh Kuknur, titled Bangkok to Bombay to Bangkok, and other one is a new director called Shashi, and he's directing title called Cycle Kick. So these all 3 films simultaneously starting now within 2 weeks. And the mainstream cinema mein we have signed Anis Bazmi, Abbas Mastan and Anurag Bose. So their cast and credits are being finalized, and hopefully that will start by the mid of next year or April. And one film which I am going to direct is with Salman Khan, and there are 2-3 heroines and one more hero maybe. So I have written the script of both of my films. So I'm absolutely ready to execute the film. So there is no pressure on me at the moment as far as the creative writing is concerned. I've been doing it for the last 1.5 years.
वही मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि सर एज अ शोमैन सुबह जी ने टैक्सी पेटी भी पिछले 2-3 साल से, एंड यू वर जस्ट लुकिंग एट थिंग्स प्रॉपर्ली एनालाइजिंग ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो ड्यूरिंग दिस फेज व्हाट डिड यू लर्न एंड नाउ यू कमिंग बैक एज अ शोमैन, एवरीबॉडी कैन सेंस इट.
Let me tell you once for all, I had never had gone to Himalaya, I had never gone to seclusion, and I was never away from the film industry for the last 1.5 years. Just because I didn't direct after Krishna was the reason that I was supposed to open this film institute. See, opening a huge international film institute is a big responsibility. It is like making 20 films at one time. So I was busy 16 hours a day for the last 2 years in this premise, and see to it that faculty is place and curriculum and people and environment and facilities. So I was absolutely in it. मैं कहीं हिमालय में नहीं गया था कि फिल्म जो छोड़ दी मैंने. तो अभी सब मैंने कंप्लीट किए हैं. एवरीथिंग इज इन प्लेस नाउ. सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग बैक टू माई डायरेक्शन एंड माई प्रोडक्शन. So the life goes on. There are many directors who make films after 8 years, 6 years. So why do you have an impatience that I must make a film once a year? It's not that. You see, I may make a film after 5 years. I must make a film when I'm convinced with my subject, when I'm excited about my subject, when I see that my star actors, technicians are excited about it. That's how I should make a film.
Okay. You are giving chance to some new directors also.
Yeah.
Research like according to you, who are the new directors who got that spark?
Who are the other new directors? One director I know, Purva Naresh. She is working with Rakesh Roshan. She is a very promising director. And one director which we have signed is Shashi, who's making a Cycle Kick. And one other film also in co-venture with Mukta Art and Z is called Khanna Iyer. That is also complete. So in this project they have casted those boy and girl. They were selected on the talent contest, the Star Talent Contest. Sarwar and Aditi Sharma. So there are various projects which I look after and supervise the thing. But promising director mein I have told you the name.
Okay, according to you, you make stars. And everybody has seen you from so many years, you give industry as stars. But now, if you see from this side, do you think star system is dwindling, it's going away? There's no star remaining. Now everybody comes and...
You see, stars have been always there from the 1912. 1920 से आज तक स्टार रहे हैं और रहेंगे. But the question is the meaning of stars. Neither media knows, and neither most of the filmmakers know, and audience is totally ignorant about it. You see, when actor plays a popular characterization, like in animation, you see all those characters become a star, and children want to buy those films, whether it's E.T. or the Mouse or Mickey Mouse and all. So these are called stars. So if the toys can become a star, why not actors can become a star? But while playing a wonderful character in a wonderful screenplay, they become star. It does not mean that they become better actor. It does not mean that they become a actor for the rest of life. As far as they are playing good characters with a good skin, good script, fine. Now you look at the whole last year report, and you find the biggest hit is Munna Bhai. And Munna Bhai has a star. Which is star? Star of 50 years old Sanjay Dutt, and the same pair which had 4 weeks back Anthony Cohen, which didn't work at all for 2 shows, and it has become the biggest hit of the last decade. It means the content and concept works, right? Not the star. Every star has given the biggest flop. You name the star. Now I am talking to you now. You remember these stars? In this year only they have given. For the last 2 years only they have given the biggest star. So what do you call talking about stars? Talk about actors. Talk about popular actors. They are popular actors. Give them a good script. They will fetch you 25% extra. Because their fan mail on initially only 30%. The people who are fan, they say, I have to see his film. Bad or good, they are only 30%. 70% audience is check and go. Whatever the big star is, doesn't matter. Check and go, film is good or not. So they get you initial of 30% of the audience in the beginning 2-3 weeks or 2-3 days. So let us understand, the star word or superstar word is a myth, because no star is guaranteed and no director and no film is guaranteed, right? So it is always a package deal. It comes either through script, through music, through storytelling, or through combination of a good team, right? This is how we need to enlighten and educate our audience and media. But the sad part is that even the most underrated actors, media is projecting them as star. That is the biggest sad part of it. And those underrated actors are also taking them seriously, that we are stars, a cool man kind of thing. So 2-4 स्टिल से उनके बारे पागल लगते हैं, बेवकूफ़ लगते हैं.
इंटरनेशनल फिल्म स्कूल ऐसे ये विजन यही तो नहीं है कि ग्लोबल सिनेमा और इंडियन सिनेमा के बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है कम होते जा रहा है.
That is exactly.
So when can we see you making a movie with an international star and an Indian star?
You saw Krishna, no? Then?
I mean, on a bigger note I'm talking about.
Yeah. You see, my vision to open this school is to make it a global, study of cinema. I want my students must make Indian movies, but they should make Indian movies for the global market too. I don't want them to ape American movies. I don't want to imitate American movies. I want them to learn their own heritage of stories, of the epics, and discover and invent and reinvent themselves and sell those Indian stories to the Western world. But they must develop a skill how to tell a story. And to achieve the academic excellence is the motto of our opening this institute.
But the Oscar mania or the Hollywood mania will always be there. हर साल Oscar की रिवाइव के लिए लड़ते हैं. Oh, this year this movie is going. We don't give that much importance to our own awards.
तो क्या हुआ? ऑस्कर का मीनिया बांग्लादेश में भी है, श्रीलंका में भी है, मलेशिया में भी है, तो इंडिया में है तो क्या हुआ? बट क्वेश्चन ऐसा तो नहीं. ऑस्कर ठीक है, वो अमेरिका एक बिग ब्रदर है और ऑस्कर को पूरी दुनिया देखती है, पर हमको अपने गांव में देखना चाहिए ना कि हम लोग कृषि प्रधान देश हैं, वी आर एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट, राइट. विद इन अवर ओन लिमिट्स वी आर द बेस्ट. हमारी सेंसिबिलिटीज़ अलग हैं, हमारी सेंसिटिविटीज़ अलग हैं, हमारी फैमिलीज अलग हैं. दे कैन नॉट मेक ए बॉलीवुड फिल्म. यू आस्क स्पीलबर्ग टू मेक दिलवाले दुल्हनिया. कैन यू मेक इट? कैन यू मेक इट खलनायक, परदेश? देन so it is a sensibility of a country and the people and their taste of dance, music, food, whatever it is.
ये आप समझते हैं सर, आप जैसे और बड़े-बड़े डायरेक्टर समझते हैं, लेकिन there are some actors.
बड़े-बड़े डायरेक्टर भी सुन रहे हैं मेरी बात, उनको भी समझना चाहिए.
There are some actors, जैसे मैं कंपेयर करूँ, पुराने ज़माने में शबाना जी, ओम पुरी जी, नसीर जी, ये लोग हॉलीवुड गए, नो शूट, लेकिन इनकी मूवीज जब वक्त थी अपने आप लोगों को करते हैं. आज हर साल 2 स्टार्स हॉलीवुड जरूर जाते हैं. उनका क्या होता है, क्या नहीं होता. So ये पागलपन क्या है हॉलीवुड की? I mean, according to you, जब आप सोचते हैं, आप इतने सालों से फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, what do you think? Why is this craze there? Don't they give importance to Indian cinema?
How can you call it a craze? If there are 300 actors and 3 actors are going there, what is the percentage? 0.03, and you are talking about is a craze. 300 एक्टर में से या 100 एक्टर्स में से 3 एक्टर अगर वहाँ पर साइड रोल करते हैं और सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर करते हैं, you want to say the Indian actors going there? Because they want Indian characters to play by Indian. Like I want Japanese, I wanted an English girl in Krishna. So we went to London and hired her services as an actress because we wanted English girl. So whenever they want an Indian character to be played in their play, so they hire us. But it does not mean कि craze हो गया, हम पागल हो गए या कुछ हो रहा है. कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. हम कभी जापानीज एक्टर को ले आएंगे, कभी चाइनीज़ को ले आएंगे. जो जो हमारी स्टोरी में बैठेगा उसको ले आएंगे, जैसे उनकी स्टोरी में जो बैठते हैं वो ले आते हैं. बट पॉजिटिवली इंडियन सिनेमा हैज़ इज ओन एंटिटी, इट हैज़ इज ओन प्लेस, इट हैज़ इज ओन ऑडियंस. यू विल बी शॉक्ड टू नो दैट Indian cinemas, the quantity of selling tickets, seats, is more than the Hollywood films. You know that? Yes. So the viewers are much more for the Bollywood cinema than the Hollywood.
Okay, coming to there. Okay. After giving so many stars, who's next? You think this is...
You see, it's not a conscious effort. This question is a comfortable effort. If I feel comfortable with stars, I work with them. If I don't feel comfortable with the stars, I don't find stars excited to work with me. I'm not comfortable. So I cannot work with star where I am not comfortable or where he is not comfortable. So if I am comfortable with a newcomer, I would prefer newcomer, a new boy than a star. Because I can make the picture the way I want to make. I don't have to take dictates. I don't have to laugh on a wrong jokes of a star, right? Or a poor jokes of a star. So I will always work with a star who has a respect for directors and respect for the team and knows his job, that he has to play his part. That's it. And that's all. I have worked with Mr. Dilkuan in 3 films. And we never had 1 second of friction together. It was just like I loved the song in Khalnayak, Umma Tujhe Salam. Lekin Chala Choli ke piche. Nobody heard that song by Jagjit Singh. You see. So it all depends. You know? So my favorite is my favorite. But sometimes it is people's favorite, which doesn't go with my taste. मुश्किल है 5 मिनट, वरना मुश्किल गाने.
अच्छा, ये थीम म्यूजिक का जो आपका ट्रेंड है, आपको लगता है?
You see, theme music is such a thing which, you know, everything has a theme. Now, you give a party, you have a theme. You make a house, you have a theme. You make a dressing, it has a theme. Without any substance, any content, is just like a vacuum pot without theme. Theme तो होना ही चाहिए. So whenever you create a sound in the cinema, there has to be a theme, so that the whole film is integrated and it looks one unit. So theme music is the part, and I think most of the directors use theme music. It's not that.
I mean, आपकी इस legacy को, आपकी इस style को कोई एक नहीं कर पाया. I mean, दो संजय लीला बंसाली इस style पर कोई कर नहीं पाया. Why?
अब मैं उनका कैसे जवाब दे सकता हूँ क्यों नहीं कर पाए? बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, कुछ तो मेरे से भी अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, मुझसे ज़्यादा बड़े हिट हैं, मुझसे ज़्यादा बड़ी मार्केट है उनकी, उससे अच्छा पैसा कमा रहे हैं. वो ऐसा, इट्स नॉट अ कंपैरिजन. वी ऑल हैव अ डिफरेंट फेसेस, डिफरेंट पिक्चर्स, डिफरेंट पेंटर्स, एंड वी ऑल आर हैप्पी इन आवर ओन प्लेसेस. दे आर गुड इन देयर ओन प्लेसेस, आई एम गुड इन माई ओन प्लेस. आई लव द वे आई वुड लाइक टू लिव, and I believe that I am happy in my life, and they are happy in their within their own work frame. Thank you.